Now let's try a story problem. You're going to submit one order to buy tickets to a Macklemore concert. Each ticket costs $15 and there's a fee of $3 for each order. You can buy as many tickets as you want in a single order. Write the total cost of the tickets as a function of the number of tickets you buy. Identify the range for a domain of 1, 2, 4, and 5. So remembering our problem-solving plan from Unit 1.5, let's go ahead and read and pick out the important information. So you're going to submit one order to buy tickets to a Macklemore concert online. Each ticket costs $15. There's a fee of $3 for each order. So it says you can buy as many tickets as you want, so we'll keep that in mind. The total cost of the tickets, you want to write the total cost of the tickets as a function of the number of tickets you buy. So we also know our domain, and we need to find our range. Because it tells us we want to find the total cost of the tickets as a function of the number of tickets you buy, because it says as a function of, you know whatever comes after that is going to be your x value. So it's going to be your independent variable that you control. So you get to choose how many tickets you buy. I'm going to say t is equal to the number of tickets. And you know the total cost, which I'll say is C, that equals total cost, will be your dependent variable because it tells you to write the total cost as a function of that. So we're going to say C equals everything that's involved in the cost of the order. So we know that each order has a fee of $3. So somewhere in that order, we're going to have to pay $3. The cost is going to be in dollars, so everything on this side should be in dollars as well. So we'll say 3 for $3, and we know that each ticket costs $15, so we have $15 for a ticket. We don't know how many tickets there are, but we do have a variable for the number of tickets. So we can say 15t, which would be 15 times the number of tickets for t, would be the total cost of all the tickets. So you can say 3 plus 15t. So that's the total cost is equal to your one-time order fee plus the cost of the tickets times the number of tickets you buy. This is your answer to part 1 of the question. So it says, write the total cost as a function of the tickets you buy. Now the second part is identify the range for a domain of 1, 2, 4, and 5. So let's go ahead and make our chart. So we have domain and we have range, or inputs and outputs. And we have a domain of 1, 2, 4, and 5. So if we substitute 1 in for our domain, and remember our domain, so this will be our t, because domain is, these are independent, and this is your independent variable. These are dependent, and c is your dependent variable. We can use c equals 3 plus 15t, and try that now. So c equals, for the first one, we have 3 plus 15 times 1. So if you just buy yourself a ticket, c equals 3 plus 15, c equals 15 plus 3 is 18. Now if you buy 2 tickets, you would have same equation, c equals 3 plus 15t, and you're going to say the total cost equals 3 plus 15 times 2, right, because you're buying 2 tickets. So 15 times 2 would give you 30. 30 plus 3 gives you 33, and that's your value for C, 33. And you can do the same thing for the other ones. So you can go ahead and write these out on your paper if you can't do it in your head. So you'll have 15, so we have 15 times t, 15 times 4 is 60, and 60 plus 3 gives you 63. 15 times 5, for this last one, is 75, plus 3 gives you 78. So these values here are your domain and range, and they're asking for just the range, which would be this. You can also write them as 18, 33, 63, and 78 in brackets.